What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I got another unboxing for you here today. First, a word from my sponsor. Who's my sponsor, Haley?
Jesus.
Matthew, chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He was dying for our sins. He looked up to God. He looked up to the heavens and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. When I read that, I always read it like, God will never leave me or forsake me. And it's only because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking that God might have ever had to give me, Jesus took it on the cross that day. Thanks, Jesus. And because of him taking all of that forsaking and then raising from the grave, which we're going to celebrate on Sunday. You're going to see that I'm recording this on Thursday. You're going to see it on Friday. Easter's Sunday. And Bonnie,
So Easter's tomorrow for you.
Sorry, silly rabbit. Easter's for Jesus, not for you.
Oh my gosh, that was good. Silly rabbit, Easter's for Jesus.
I've told you all about this shoe. I've told you that it was on the way. And sneakers, I picked up this box from the front door. And I was like, man, why is this box so small? My box for my other pair is not this size. And I was like, maybe I did get, maybe these really are fake because this box is so huge. No, I just realized I ordered a 6.5 in this shoe.
Yay!
I ordered a 6.5 in this shoe on this particular account that hit.
Yeah.
So look, this box is unopened.
Oh my gosh.
There's no rips.
I'm
this
so
tape
excited.
is down. Like, this is just a little what is this called? Like overlap in the tape here.
An open box.
Unopened. You can look at all the sides, and then we'll look at.
Oh my gosh.
I'll just cover that up. I know it's got marker on it, but it's from Nike, right? You see from Nike.
Nike.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Please don't break my heart and say just tell me right now if you're selling them.
I may break your heart.
Well, I don't want to keep getting my hopes up.
In addition to your car, you get all A's. You can have these shoes too.
Okay.
In addition to getting your car back, you can have these shoes for all A's. Do you think you're going to be able to do it?
Yeah.
Yes, for real, or?
Maybe. We'll see.
All right. So we're still going to do a comparison. You got to come back for the next video, though. This is already the third full video on this shoe, on the Passport Dunk. So you're going to have to come back for the next video to see the comparison. It's not going to be size by size because this just isn't this size. If I get a good deal on a pair at Memory Lane where I've got something good I can trade, I'll try to get a pair. Hey, maybe Memory Lane will even just let me bring home a pair to make a video on. That's where we got to get, where Memory Lane will do that. So I need you all to comment down below. Maybe tag Memory Lane. Can we tag Memory Lane in these things? I don't know.
Probably.
Mention them on, if you follow Memory Lane, go mention them on
IG.
On IG or Facebook, and say, hey man, Super Dan's making content, says great things about you. He's got like 6 shoes on his wall behind him from y'all. So we've gone over this box before. Nike Incorporated Union LA is supposed to look like a ticket.
Turn it my way.
Huh?
Turn it my way.
Flight coupon, document number, carrier, flight.
Oh, it doesn't even say who it's to.
Yeah, it doesn't say any of that stuff.
Lame.
Flight open, class date open, issuing date, issuing agent ID, JD39. I don't know what that is. But we got a air gate code, air agent code, CR000117. I don't know what that is. Date of issue, holiday 2021. People, like, I know these things didn't get leaked that much, neither did the twos, but they were made for holiday 2021. They were made a while ago. They just sat around. So it was just getting them in bulk to the United States, to wherever they shipped from Union. Like, Union didn't have these all in their shop. I guarantee you they didn't. These were not in Union shop because these shipped from Nike to supposedly Mount Zion Road, Lebanon, Indiana. So
isn't that Nike headquarters or something?
no, headquarters is in Oregon. We talked about this.
Oh,
we
that's
talked
what
about
I
it with
thought.
this shoe. All right, this is the Nike Dunk Low/U Hyper Royal White Psychic Blue, size 6.5. There is no retail price. There is a suggested retail price side of this sticker. Oh, this is where Beaverton, Oregon is. But there's no dollar amount on it. That's interesting. Mine doesn't have that.
I don't know what you're talking about, but
See, there's no dollar amount on the side of it. There's
like
there's
it
a
was
suggested retail piece on it, but there's no dollar amount printed.
US dollars.
I think I paid $150 for these plus the or plus tax. All right, here we go. We get the same paper. Oh, you saw the Beaverton, Oregon, right? That's the Beaverton, Oregon. You were like, what's Beaverton, Oregon?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Oh,
remember.
yeah.
Oh yeah. I remember. You're making me anxious. Oh my. Yeah, we gotta keep these. I don't even want to.
We do gotta keep these.
We do.
What, you were gonna say? I don't even want to make all A's. I just want to keep them. Is that what you were
No,
gonna say?
what is this? This was not in yours.
Yes, it was.
No.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. You
It
liar,
was.
liar.
Go
pants
back
on
and watch the
fire.
video.
This is awesome. If this was smaller, I would keep this on the shoe. Stop! Don't take it! Don't take it! Don't take it! I'm looking at it too. That's so cool. Yeah, if it was like maybe this big, I would keep it on the shoe.
All right, so again, there's going to be a lot of size dependent variations, but there's also going to be obviously differences because this isn't the exact same shoe. But all of these have very high toe boxes, and the structure is really rigid. The 50 Dunks were shaped like this. The 50 Off-White Dunks were shaped like this, but it didn't have this amount of structure in here. And I think this structure is here mainly because of the ripstop. Because I cut the ripstop off of mine, and they don't have the structure anymore. I still don't think though that these are going to crease inside into the toe like the 50 did, which is good because I thought those were all hideous because of that.
Do they come with extra laces? I thought I saw some. Oh, that's. I like the white ones. Oh, it's the blue. That color was right here.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
And
I don't want to take that off.
I've seen this shoe cut, I think, and
I don't want to cut that part off. I
and-
don't like the blue.
no, this blue was pretty nice. Ooh, look at all that glue. They must be fake.
These must be.
Yeah, they must be.
I thought you got them shipped from Nike.
I did, but they must be because look at all that glue. Like I can look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? Look at this glue. So I was thinking about this the other day, like if I wear, I was gonna go. Actually, I was gonna go on the day these dropped on sneakers. I was gonna go to A Ma Maniere because they were first come first serve, and I was gonna wear my other Union Dunks But the last time I went, I did wear my social status Dunks. You know, social status and A Ma Maniere are
They're best friends.
no, they're owned by the same company.
Yeah, best friends.
But I was gonna wear them,
They're-
but I don't like those because I like them because they look good, but they're so poorly made. These aren't that poorly made.
Besides that giant
But
hunk of
now,
blue.
I'm like there's glue stain all over this thing. Like that's all glue right there. But all right, we got the Union jumper guy. There's details to that I've heard. I just don't know them off the top of my head.
I think if we cut these, we should cut this part.
We don't have to.
Well, I'm just saying.
I mean, we're not gonna cut it right now. That's for sure.
Well, I know, but if we were to cut it, we should cut this one because I don't cut
It was nice blue,
I mean, I bet it's nice blue, but it just
and I feel like
I like it
remember,
better
though,
lighter and less less
this
bright.
there here you can see it up under here. You can see the light blue. The light blue actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I'm
I
saying.
thought.
This we should cut the light blue with this.
And this was
light
something I never.
blue. Is
really,
it the same as this? This right here?
Maybe. I mean, it's not this material. This is
Well,
like
yeah.
a satiny material, which is the same as mine. This is one thing I did
I
not
like
notice
this.
with mine. I didn't ever really try, but most Dunks aren't like this. Most Dunks, this is stitched down, and I think it's there so that you can cut this completely out.
That's smart. Did you do that with yours?
No, I didn't know it.
Should we zoom in?
So these were made. The to date is November the 19th, 2021, which would have been holiday 2021, and then they came out 5 months later. So
I really like these.
I'm sure you do, Haley. So if
You know
the
who
co-
else would really like these?
Who?
Chan.
Oh, would
Well, he would like them on my feet.
he?
He'd be like, "Oh, look at you with that heat again."
Is that what he sounds like?
No.
He doesn't even work at your store anymore.
No, but he comes up there because he's the store manager of
This
downstairs.
is interesting. Like, it looks like the ripstop was flipped inside of itself and flipped up because there looks like there's some extra like tag end of this ripstop underneath it. Can you see it?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I don't know. Do I like these better? I think I like these better than those.
I agree.
The colors.
Yeah.
Even if I hadn't cut it. I'm not stopping looking at this one because that blue is just
I really like that.
Nice and very reflective, very thick, very rigid.
Yeah, if it was little, I'd keep that on the shoe. I'm not one for keeping tags on shoes because I think it looks tacky, especially the StockX tag. But
I think this is pretty cool. You can see the like a honeycomb, but underneath the outsole. That's pretty cool. I think I might like these better. I don't like the pistachios. The green and blue ones, I don't really like them.
I haven't seen those.
Those are the ones that came out just through Union. The first ones. Same soft or insole. It's not an insole. What's this thing called? Insole.
Yeah, it is an insole. No, it's not. No, it is. Oh, I thought of you today at work.
Why?
They have it's an Adidas, so you wouldn't want it. But on this part of the box on one of the shoes, it says, what's not polyurethane? What's the other one?
Ortholite.
Ortholite. Yeah, it says Comfort Ortholite, and that word reminded me of you.
Yeah, look. This is another detail that was exactly the same as mine. Like this little punched hole was still here. One of them was still there.
Is it like you take it out?
Yeah, you just pull it off. Just pull it off.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ew.
Exactly like my other pair. Oh. Uh-oh. That kind of came out right there. Not out there.
We should sue.
Maybe it's because I flipped it up. It kind of ripped itself out. Oh, well.
You didn't flip that one.
Didn't?
No, you flipped the other one. I think.
See, look how thick that leather is. That white leather? I guess that's not white. That's.
It looks white.
It's very thick. Oh, the cross section is, but it's really thick. Wow. All right, I like these.
Smell good?
Yeah, it's just glue. Not as strong as mine were.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I like these. I'll do a side-by-side comparison coming up soon. And I'm sorry to those of y'all. I'm pretty sure in my live I said that I got these in size 11. And I said that I'd probably give them away. And I still might give them away. Depends on what kind of likes and comments we get on this video. But again, it's a 6.5. So, but I think it's still worth. I mean, I paid $150 for it. I think they were $150. However much they were. It's my size, the size 11, I think was still going for $400 the last time I checked. So these are probably going for $300. So twice what I paid for them. So smash the like button. Let me know what y'all think about this shoe. You can let me know how fake you think this one is because of the glue. Because what else did we say?
The little hole. This thing.
The hole from the eye, the lace eye that was still there. No, there was some other reason. I don't know.
Oh, the little thing, the back. This thing falling off. Little pull tab.
No, that wasn't it either.
Well, I don't know.
All right. Well, smash the like button. Let me know what you think. 2,000 subs. We're gonna get there really quick. We're almost at 1,700. I think we got 91 subs in the last 30 days. So,
Wow.
and we just gotta keep that momentum, and we'll be at 2,000 quick. We'll get this.
Oh, sorry.
We'll get this. We'll get this. This giveaway out of the way. Remember, the giveaway is for the MVS, the most valuable sub. Crispy Caleb. You've been commenting, but you gotta give me some comments, and so far you're in the lead because nobody else is doing much of that. There was one guy though that posted something, and he responded to my conversation about TCBY. Do you remember that? The country's best yogurt, Haley? You were recording when I talked about that.
I kinda remember.
It was a while ago.
I just remember the TCBY.
But he responded to that directly, and that's what I want from you, Crispy. Watch the videos and comment about something that I talk about in the video, not just, hey, those shoes are clean, I want those shoes. I mean, that's cool and I appreciate that, but it shows that you're watching the content because I need y'all to watch the content. The more you watch, the more you impress on YouTube that you enjoy it, and the more that YouTube is going to show it to other people. So that's what my MVS is doing for me. So that's what gets the shoe. And then, but of course, with the 2,000 sub giveaway, there's going to be the grand prize giveaway to the MVS, and then I'll give another consolation prize to one random entry into that video once we hit 2,000 subs. So we'll get there at some point, but for the time being, if you want to be the MVS, you got to comment down below. What else you need to do, Haley?
Tell your grandma.
Tell your grandma. Grandma would like these, I think.
I really do think she would.
And I really wish your grandma, my mother, would comment down below on this.
Come on, Grandma, do it for me.
Do it for your granddaughter.
If you won't do it for, I almost said Papa. If you won't do it for Daddy, do it for me.
Yeah, if you won't do it for your son, do it for your grandma.
We all know I'm your favorite.
Have a happy Easter. I've got it linked in the description. I think I put a card. No, I put a card on another video. I'll put a card on this video too, and a link to up here.
Nope, this side.
No, I'm actually gonna do it at the beginning of the video.
Oh,
go back to the beginning of the video and click it. I'm gonna do a link to my church's YouTube, so that you can watch if you don't want to if you're not already going to a church on Easter Sunday. Watch the live. They publish it live or whatever live on you. Stream it live on YouTube so that y'all can watch it. And it'll be there Sunday morning, this Sunday. This is April what?
14th.
Today?
Mm-hmm.
Today's the 14th?
Yes.
15th, 16th, 17th is
Yes.
Sunday? On April the 17th. Watch it live. And obviously you're welcome to come if you're in the area, but I don't know anybody that's in the area. But
That doesn't already go to our church.
Doesn't already go to our church. But I'll link them, and I'll put the link in the description as well. If there's no other place that you're going to go, then just check them out. I mean, it's like an hour-long service, and I'm sure it'll be great for you. Anything else?
I don't think so.
All right, see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.